Good morning children and welcome to the class. How are you children? I hope you all are well. So today we are going to do chapter 4, parts of a computer. Open at page number 24 children. Now let's begin the chapter. So as we have different parts in our body, a computer also has many parts. All these parts work together to do any work in a computer. So as we have many parts in our body, suppose we have eyes, nose, ears, hand, legs. So all these parts help our body to work together. So a computer has also many parts. So parts of a computer, we will see how many parts of a computer are there. You can see this is monitor. So it has many parts which help it to work together. This is a keyboard. It has many keys. This is CPU. CPU, that means Central Processing Unit. The processing is being done in this CPU box. This is a mouse, which really it looks like a mouse with a tail. But this is a computer part. This is a printer where printout has been taken out. So we will go in details. Monitor. It looks like a television. Every day we love to watch television. It really looks like a television. We can see many movies, cartoons on the monitor. It shows us the work done on the computer. If you want to add, if you want to draw, if you want to type something, the work is being done on the computer. Next is CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. Children, it is very important to know the full form of CPU. Central Processing Unit. You learn the spelling, children. It is also known as the brain of a computer. Now listen children, without a brain, a human being cannot think of doing anything. So a CPU is also the brain of the computer. It helps the computer to work. It looks like a box and it helps a computer to think and work. Now this is a activity you have to do. Join the dots and color the picture. Now let us color the picture of CPU. You have to do it by yourself. You have to join all the dots. You take help of a scale and do it. Your name, date and teacher's signature. Later on I will do it. Next is keyboard. You can see this keyboard. It has many keys inside it. You have seen a mobile, Casio or calculator. This is mobile, Casio and calculator. So do you see anything common in them? Yes, the keys, the keypad. This keypad have many keys. Each key has different functions. Nowadays, all of you are using a mobile for online classes. Now you must know all the functions of each keys. This is Casio. You can see keys here. All these have different functions and calculator has also a keypad. This keypad has many keys and which has different functions. In the same way, a computer too has a keyboard with many keys and these keys are used to type letters, words or numbers. Now go to page number 27. Next is mouse. As I have told you, the mouse really it looks like a mouse, but this is a computer mouse. It's look like a real mouse. It has 2 or 3 buttons. 2 or 3 buttons. This is left, this is right button and the middle one is scroll. It helps us to draw pictures, point at things on the computer and play games. Next is printer. It is used to take a printout on a paper. This is also a part of a computer which helps to take a printout on a paper. Whatever you work on a computer, it prints for you on the paper. One more activity is there. Pick the alphabets from the ground. This is the ground. All the letters are here. So you have to pick and fill it. Number 1, hint box is given here. Mouse. This is MOUSE. Next is monitor. MONITOR. Most of the children write the spelling of monitor as MONITER. Children, it is wrong. Never do this kind of mistake. The spelling of monitor is MONITOR. Next is keyboard. KEYBOARD. PRINTER. Next is CPU. CPU. Page 28. Fill in the blanks. Exercise A. The dash is the brain of the computer. CPU is the brain of the computer. You have to write it here. CPU. Now we can type alphabets or numbers using the keyboard. Next, dash is used to take a printout on a paper. Just now I told printer. A dash shows the work done on a computer. Monitor. Next is true or false. A monitor looks like a television. Yes, it is true. You can watch stories on the CPU. No, you can watch stories on the monitor. It is false. A mouse is used to draw pictures. It is true. A mouse has many keys. False. A keyboard has many keys. So up to this much you do it, children, in your book.